Sup nerds, how's it going guys? As you can see here, PlayStation box. I'm excited for this one. Been waiting for this since I bought it on this past Thursday. It is now Wednesday, so just under a week for it to arrive. Got this bad boy on eBay. If you can't tell already by the shape and the overall size, well, why don't we get it open and you shall see. What's in this box? Oh yeah, that's right, that is correct. I got myself my first VR headset. One of the better ones I hear for the price. First time ever holding one, first time ever seeing one in person. Aside from, you know, like the display kits at like your Target or Walmart. And yes sir, PSVR2, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I just got home from work, saw the box, got her open. These are the what are these called? I think they're called the Sense controllers. Kind of pretty light. Not the, I don't know, it's decent quality. I mean, I'm not, I wouldn't say I'm impressed, but it's not bad. These I guess they have to be light if you're gonna be standing up. Although I'd rather just play games sitting down, even if they are VR. Again, this is my first VR set. I did dabble with, if any of you remember back in 2017 or so, there was that Google Cardboard where it was like a pre-cut cardboard and you fold it into the shape it was designed for, and you slide it had like some lenses and you slide your phone in it, and it was like a really shitty VR experience. I was not impressed. That was my first and last time experiencing VR, so I expect to be blown away by this thing. I expect this thing to rock my socks off. Or is it knock my socks off? Anyway, this shit better blow my mind. I think it will. I think it will. I hear it's pretty damn good, especially for the price. And speaking about the price, I got this thing for $328 with tax, shipped. Total came out to $328, and it's an open box item because I'm done buying brand new, not in this economy. And aside from some little dust, yeah, this might have been used, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't see any dings or. Let's try it. This is the right hand Sense. Oh yeah, I look like a dork. Man, once I get this thing on my head, I'm gonna be supreme dork, and I can't wait. Pretty cool controllers. I hear they're pretty good. I do plan on hooking this up to my PC as well. albeit with some missing features like eye tracking and HDR, and I think that's it. But I don't know, as a first time VR user, I don't mind. Yeah, I think this is used. I see some scuffing there, but I can't complain too much. 300, 328 tax and shipping. Looking to try out some No Man's Sky, which I never been interested in until I heard it's in VR, and that. Oh, dude, these lenses do not look great. Shit. They don't look great. Maybe I just gotta clean them. Fuck. Yeah, on the grody side, what do y'all think? Definitely gonna clean the shit out of this. It said open box. I think this is more than open box. Yep, there's a... Check it out. Awesome, right? Oh yeah. Well, as long as it runs well and I can overlook the random hair on the backrest. Oh, no earbuds. That sucks. But maybe they're in here somewhere? I don't think so. I think that's it. And here we go. There you go. There they go again. The egg carton. Very nice. Very, very nice, Sony. I'm gonna give it a smell. Let's see. Yeah, doesn't smell bad. It's just. No. Oh yeah. So yeah, I just plan on some No Man's Sky on this. Some definitely Gran Turismo 7. I'm a big Gran Turismo fan. I haven't played too much of 7. I think this is gonna change that. Yeah, I've been kind of falling out of love with games. I start playing them, and then by hour, 2 hour mark, I'm like, I'm gonna put this down and not play for a long time. But I hope this changes that. I think this might get me back in, and I'm excited to hook this up to my PC, play some PC VR. I want to play Half-Life 2, Episode 1, Episode 2, Half-Life Alyx. Looks fucking bananas. And there it is, folks. PSVR2. I'm not gonna set it up right now. I gotta put this away. Some people here aren't gonna be too happy I got this. I'm not gonna name names. So hopefully that goes well. Won't get into too many details, but yeah, but sucks about the condition. I was hoping it was just like my PS5, where it was literally an open box with a brand new console. The seller duped me a little bit here, because again, this is definitely used. There's no denying that. I'm gonna get a good shot of that. Man, these lenses, they better clean up real nice, or I will be disappointed. I think that's just, as long as it's no scratches, I can deal with a little grease. I can clean it. Man. Ugh. Oh well. 328. I can't be too mad. Alright. That's gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna wash my hands, sanitize this, and hit that like. I know you like this video. I know you do. I know you did. Subscribe, folks. More coming. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to top this one, right? Is that jiggling? Is that just me? I think it's me. Yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe out there. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.